This is the break of another dawn of the best of African fashion here on your number one channel of choice, where the best of African fashion are showcased. Kente Fashion. What are you all doing, fashionistas? Hope you're having the best of time. Today's video, as those that are rolling by, they are another set of beautiful, gorgeous, captivating, terrific, lovely, fabulous, fantastic, exotic, and uniquely classy styles for every woman. You know what we do here is that we carry everyone along. We don't stereotype. We focus on every gorgeous, beautiful woman out there that loves the best of African fashion, and any styles that are making waves. That is what we always bring to you on this platform. And I believe by the time you finish watching today's videos, as those styles are rolling by on your screen, you will most definitely attest to the fact that African fashion has evolved, has come of age, and has gotten its own feats when you talk of fashion globally. And we are indeed proud of that, and also proud of those amazing, incredible, talented, resourceful, iconic fashion designers on the continent of Africa that are making this possible for us to take this enviable position in the world when you talk of fashion. Kudos to those guys. As those guys are rolling by, just sit back, relax, and get maximum inspiration from them, and most definitely you will love preponderance of these styles in this video, and you will love to have them on as well. So enjoy this lovely video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Let us know how you feel about these awesome styles rolling by on your screen. And subscribe if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video full of fantastic and terrific styles like this. And more importantly, share this video as well as every other videos on our platform. We've got loads of them on our platform. Share as many as you can for us to evenly spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador for African fashion. Wishing you a lovely day. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Make me uncomfortable. Wow. me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get drunk.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.